how do you find if a table is proportional or not? So here's our table. We've got the x and the y. So it's 7x to y, which is 17.5, and then 9 to 22.5, and then 13 to 32.2. So the first thing we need to do is find the slope of this table, and this can be done by the algorithm y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. To decide what's x2, y2, y1, and so on, you need to look at your table. So this is going to be y1 for this problem, and this is going to be y2. We're in the y side of the column, and you're going to choose 2 points. Those 2 points have to be the y2 has to be higher or bigger than the y1, so it's below it on the table. I could do 22.5 and 32.5 as my y1 and y2, or I can do 17 and 22.5. It's whatever you want to do. I'm going to do 17.5 as my y1 and 22.5 as my y2. That means it's going to be y2, which would be 22.5 minus 17.5 over our x2 minus x1. And if I chose 22.5 as my y2, that means that the point that goes with its pair, which is 9, has to be my x2. Same with y1 and x1. So that would mean that it would be 9 minus 7 on the bottom, which is going to give us a slope of 2.5. So that is our slope, which shows us then if we can figure out whether this is proportional or not. Proportional means it follows a pattern. So that means our slope, we should be able to multiply 7 times 2.9 to give us 17.5, and do that throughout the entire table. So if we go down here, I've done the math. 7 times 2.5 equals 17.5. 13 times 2.5 equals 32.5, and so on. So therefore, this table is proportional, which means that it has a slope or a constant rate of change that you can multiply everything on the x side and it'll give you it on the y side.